Hi team.
Himlat, are you there? Yeah, sure, Himlata. So meanwhile, Appa Sahib, you can turn on your video.
Sure.
Yeah,
Now is better?
yeah, it's going. Yeah. Okay. Hello.
Hey, hi, Hemlita.
Hi. What's your name? Appa Sahib.
Yeah, Appa Sahib.
Okay. So how's your day today?
Yeah, fantastic. Happy Gudi Padwa. Marathi New
Happy
Year.
Gudi Padwa to you as well.
Yeah, thank you.
And you're on a leave or still working?
No, he's fully not working actually.
Oh, you have served your notice
Yes,
period?
yes, he's completed.
Okay. When you have completed your last day?
15 Feb.
15th Feb.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's a long time.
Yeah, 1 month
It's a
ago.
1 month almost, right?
Yeah.
So why you didn't receive any offer or what happened?
So basically, actually, there is not opportunity for career. So that's the reason I left the company. Around 2 months surviving notice period, and right now hometown. So like this, and I am looking a new opportunity right now.
Okay. So what was the notice period over there?
2 month.
So you have served 2 months. So you didn't given any interview and taken any offer?
One offer is getting Bangalore location, but offer is, so there is saying ki come to Bangalore, but I am not familiar to Bangalore like this.
Okay. So
That's
you
it.
are immediate joiner as of now.
Yes, yeah.
So okay, let's start with the introduction part, Appa.
Mm-hmm.
So can you please introduce yourself?
Sure. Yeah, I'm Appa Sahib. So I have total 6.5 years in IT industry, around software industry. So primary ski journey started in 2016 after graduation completing. So primary skill is mobile application development. So basically Objective C and native, fully iOS native side, Objective C and Swift language. Then moving to the React native sides. So React Native around 6 years total of experience fully creating cross-platform applications, and as well as self-learning. Actually, I am also fast learner. So free time also the contribute the previous company. So website we are using React.js, Nest.js, and Tailwind CSS using TypeScript. Backend are we are using Node.js, Nest.js. Nest.js is a good framework, and also the I'm working on REST API as well as GraphQL using Apollo client like this. And also I have knowledge DevOps side, so creating Docker image, deploying through the using CID/CD, Docker Hub through, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, React Native and React JS, both side we writing unit test cases for the code secure, and mainly working on insurance related and banking sectors. So previous project also the Aditya Birla. So there are around 35 team members and multiple insurance available. So managing web and mobile applications, same feature. So we managing a submodel concept, so same feature, providing web and mobile sites. Yeah, and also there is tech leaders role, so managing web, mobile, and backend. So end-to-end development like this. I contribute. Yeah.
Okay. So are you planning to continue as a React Native developer or you are open to learn another thing, any backend or like a cloud and any other things?
Yeah, primary skill is obviously React Native, but I will check also around it. So backend, how to deploy, how to Docker deploy, how to production, in consider multiple user is increment. Some cases some event is happening and user is increment, then backend load is coming. So how to managing the balancing means like as end to end checking, not only the mobile sites, but primary is mobile site. After that we are working on the end to end like this.
Okay. Okay. Um, can you explain any on a project which you have done in React Native as a kind of owner mindset which you have delivered single-handedly? Can you please explain it?
Sure. Previously, insurance before is banking sector project is Indian mobile banking. So we creating mobile application. So we are using React Native, TypeScript, restyle Shopify, also the styling, advanced styling. Also the we are writing unit test cases and fast lane for automation, deploy APK IP file through the tester, miss QR, and yeah, multiple security for we are using encryption decryption, we are using end-to-end encryption. So any backend through any GraphQL, we are using GraphQL queries and mutations, not a REST API. So that time also we are using encryption formation formula like as a SSL pinning native side also we writing some code. So some cases React Native is library is not available, third party library, and some feature is not available in React Native. So we write it fully in native side code like these. We are creating creation PDF and protected also PDF. That task is we handle fully native side and React Native to native is function calling using bridge concept like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to give you one assignment to you.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do this code part?
Mm-hmm.
Um, Let me make you presenter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so now you are a presenter. Let me share the one questionnaire on your chat window
Mm-hmm.
and you can open it. Yeah.
Okay, using I share my screens, correct? I will share
Yeah,
it.
you have to share your screen. I made you presenter.
Just a second, I will sharing my screen.
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay.
1 second. Okay.
Very chat. Yeah. You sending something?
Yes, I'm sending. But the problem is, Pooja, I'm not sure I'm not able to upload any file in the team. Yesterday I was able. It's
Okay.
showing there is no upload.
Okay, can you please share it with me? I'll share it over here.
Okay, so let me share with you. Okay. Yeah. So I have shared with you on a team. So you
Yeah.
have to forward this
Right. Let
doc
me check.
file to him. And don't disclose this test to anyone, Pooja.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
What happened, Appa Sahib? You're not feeling well?
No, no, I'm better.
Oh, okay. So
I'm waiting.
don't sit like this, putting your hand on a head, right? So
Okay, okay, okay.
it's create negative energy because you are look like you're looking like, you're not feeling happy, right? So
No, 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 no. I am always happy.
yes, you have to.
I'm not sure. I'm also not able I'm not also not able to attach this.
So what you can do, Pooja, you can send him on the email ID where you have set up the
Yeah,
meeting
sure.
invite.
Correct.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, just
Yes.
forward that.
Yeah, you can
Yeah,
say.
I'm not sure why it is not happening because
I'm not sure.
yesterday I did it. Day before yesterday I did another test.
Maybe some permission is
Correct.
required. Basically, we creating React Native application. Which
Yes, you
type
have
of?
to use the sandbox, React Native online sandbox.
Mm-hmm.
You have to write a code, and that file, what I'm trying to share with you, it has some requirement. Based on the requirement, you have to develop and show me the output.
Sure, sure.
It's very easy, it's not difficult for you. I know.
Okay, okay, no problem. Otherwise, I will show you local. I have all the setup React Native CLI as your choice.
Okay, whatever you can use, you can use.
So just a second, I am set up.
What I want to see, I want to check like evaluation level, how you are writing the code,
Sure, sure, sure.
what kind of best practices you are using, and are you able to understand the requirement and develop it and show me the output in a
Sure, sure,
less time frame, right? So that's you're showing the analytical skill. So that's I want to evaluate.
sure.
Yeah, Himnata, I have shared it by keeping you in CC.
Okay.
Okay, just a second. I will check in. Yes, you shared me.
Yes, yes.
Just a second. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, yes.
Still not received. Can I Pooja say check again?
Yes, through this mail ID
Oh
itself.
yeah, got it, got it, got it. Just a second. The challenge is going on the public React Native is a news website where registered user can be submit post on link on the content that other user can and commit each of those posts is into one category.
So what you have to do,
Mhm.
so if you see the next line where you are, the URL http API reddit.com, right?
Mhm.
So this is the API. Okay. This API is returning the JSON information.
Got it.
So so you have to consume this API.
Mhm.
You have to render this JSON, and it is JSON has like a pics. You have to render these pics on a thumbnail. It will show on a React Native page as a thumbnail.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
And also important properties related to the pics you have to show in a grid. So you have to create a grid kind of a tabular format.
Like this flat list. Okay.
Any for property which is related to this email, image, you
Mhm.
have to show that, and same last column will have a thumbnail.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So that you have to render it.
Just a second. I will doing that.
You have 15 minutes, you can do it.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure. Sure.
Sorry, you have to actually create a new project. If it is taking time, then you have to use the sandbox because I
Okay.
don't want to take
Sure.
any
Sure.
existing project.
Sure. Sure. No problem. I will using sandbox.
Yeah. Better you have to use a sandbox, it will be easier.
Sandbox. React Native. I think it's okay. It's app. Just I copy the exhaust library. Okay.
Okay.
Exhaust library is basically REST API for we are using.
Hmm.
Just okay. Effect. Just get. I hope this is get. Okay. Where it's going? Yeah, I hope. Yeah. Yeah, got it. So your question is so the flat list on data. Okay, got it. Where is flat list? Flat reacted provided flat list. After that I will create one state constant like data dot set data state of the empty array. After that if response dot data is equal to 100. ठीक है। Response the data.children. And doing optional, and here also optional. Getting the response. Okay, so I will remove all the flat list, and data is equal to data render is equal to item comma sorry, it is your starting design and after is key. That's I think like this. Here and here and yeah. Okay, like this. So data inside going to children to object keys. So they using key and show you text. That is item dot kids like this. Cannot read property message of object undefined. Okay, no problem. A flat list response. Flat list render data key. I think item dot I will do it like this. To string. ठीक है, आ रहा है item flat list render data render के अंदर item index और इसे I will checking only the flat list syntax, ma'am. I think some missing.
What you are checking?
Only the flat list. I think render here is feeling mistake. Only the checking syntax. Yeah, is correct. Flat list data also passing. Yeah, sorry, render item. Sorry. What happened? Data passing render item. Just second. Render item. Yeah, obviously. Okay, item. Here is not required. Pass directly the object. Okay, done. So here I will apply the design. I will write inline CSS, not a here. Okay, I will do
Sure,
it.
no problem.
So your question is showing the like this items, and you saying ki last is showing the three item for
Thumbnail.
thumbnail. Okay, I think I hope you passing thumbnail URL. Yeah, got it. All four thumbnail passing, yeah, only the last three. I will.
What? Every record has a thumbnail, right?
Okay, sure. So here flex direction. Direction. Actually, here is and not auto populate coming to CSS. Na, that's the reason. Image. Image source. URL item dot. I think URL. Yeah. Okay, no problem. I think source also same basic issue. Item dot URL and here is coming. Just a second. Data. Yeah. Now check. Okay, data inside going. Okay, you saying thumbnail. I will pass here. Optional data question thumbnail. Got it. I hope coming. What is issue? This we are going inside. Okay. Also not going definition. Source. I think source. Oh, source. If you remotely path, then you can pass URI. What is the issue? I will check also the syntax, ma'am. Actually, here is URL obviously passing.
It is the interview, right? You are checking all the syntax.
No.
You are an expert
No.
in React.
See. This is correctly 100% correct, but I think spelling mistake. That's reason. If you coming to auto populate, then not working. Yeah, source URI is obviously correct. I also corrected. Source URI. Source okay URI correct. I did before also. Let's see. I will style assignment. Width 100, height also 100. Yeah. So here, let's see view. Also the style like padding. I will apply 10. Showing. Then after that width height also the border radius 10, yeah, 5. Done. After that here is spacing, so background color. Which color I will gray. So background color margin bottom 10. Sorry. Yeah, but we need a flex full. Just second. Here is app also we contain flex. We are passing flex. Okay, so I think flex is correctly okay. So flat list view flex, you okay. I will spacing here, margin left for 5. Done. And here is font family bold, done to uppercase. Okay, so your question is, I think I will doing small 50. Yeah, ma'am. So I will showing the thumbnails, also the kids name. Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah, is
Abbas sir.
yes, is done. Actually, I will showing the thumbnails, also the kids name, and
Okay, Himrata, you there?
Yes, I'm here.
yeah,
Okay,
Himlata is
so
completed actually task.
Okay. So, but you
So
are showing only images, what I can see here. I
uh,
need an image related some information, right, which is in the JSON.
yeah, I show
Any
the
four
key.
properties which is related to image
Uh-huh.
or the data, you have to show in a tabular format, and last column will have a thumbnail.
Last column. Just a second. I will check again. Show the list of the posts of which each post must be shown following the thumbnails, images, present. Okay, title, author. Okay, just a second. That's ma'am. Basic.
Yeah, number of modes and all, right? So we have to show.
Yeah. So yeah, just a second. You're showing title, author, total number of words. Okay, number of comments and date of the creation. Just a second. Huh?
Yes. And if you are able to write a unit test case, then you will have a bonus point.
Okay, unit test cases. Yeah, just sure.
First you complete it, then if you are able to write a unit test case and show me the coverage, then you will be in a good bonus point, right?
Yeah, unit test cases for we writing actually globally some creating environment like as a we are
It's
using
fine. We'll
jest.
come to that. First you finish it.
Okay, okay,
We'll come to that too.
okay, sure. So, but title is very Author. I like also unit test cases. Yes, okay.
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Using author. Author full name. Margin left. Total number of nodes. Okay. Very, very high, very big data is coming. This video creation URL, number of commits. Okay, also showing the number of commit now. Yeah. Number of comment and date of the creation. Okay. Display. Here is comment date of creation, number of comments. We also implemented here icon and also the after that the comments looking for good, but icon for we also using React Native vector icon library. Leave it right now, no problem. So number of nodes. I think this is Unix times time. Okay, so we need modify, so we are using day.js library. Day.js version I don't know, I will check also version name.
Mm-hmm.
So as moment better version, because this is lightweight as compared to moment, is only 6.5 KB. Just a second, I
Yeah.
will mention this version. And where is passing using commit day.js. Inside you can pass your the dot format. Okay, date I will check. So date is coming to dates times time format. So date
Mm-hmm.
JS, and after that you need Unix also you can pass. So actually you date getting, but let's see. Actually one parameter is missing actually again. So number of the odds, just second. Check also days, number of top of the time is this thumbnail height, post unit, WLS, author, number of commits, calls all of them, number of cross point, video. Here is award is received. Here ये हो सकता है. Actually, ma'am, here actually
Hmm.
you saying total number of votes, but score. Okay, you saying also score, but I
Yeah.
got here ratio. Not any. Here is height score is got it. Thumbnail ratio height is got it. I think exactly key is not getting. Where is key? WS down also getting. I will show you up what ratio. Okay for fine you.
Sorry.
I will show you up votes ratio. Exactly key is not getting here. Total number of votes like this.
So why are you showing if you're not getting the keys? That is your test, right? If any requirement is having something and it is not available, then your solution will be, saying this key is missing in JSON, right? So that's kind of thing, right? So that's why I wanted to understand how you are analyzing your things and
Yeah,
you're getting the
I will assign a optional parameter. Okay, some data type, some array inside getting or not getting. Then by default
yes.
empty is passing. But I see 4 5's documents. So this is document. Inside not available any the votes numbers. That's the reason.
That's fine. So this is your analysis, right? That's why I've given the test, right?
Okay, just I will show you this one. Number of title comments. Going again and again. Automatic is hot reloading working na here. DPS ratio. Yeah. ठीक है.
Okay.
So here actually cut off the some characters. That time we are using also the style is I think tail something. So after that showing the dot like this. This
Okay.
no. Yeah, I will show the all the thumbnails and so the recorded
Perfect.
data.
Perfect. Very good. Can you please add a small, test cases here?
Okay, test cases actually I
Only
will.
one test case you can add it.
Okay, so firstly we checking the render is properly or not properly. So I will firstly create a directory dash dash test. After that, create new file and here is we actually React Native testing library is provided, but I am not installed here. Okay, I will just only the sample demo for writing test cases.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So, firstly we need import your the main component. So here app from coming to I will also that time here is not required. Yeah, mock data also we need passing because API through coming data na. So just second na. Going back, I'm not yes. After that, it sorry, you can write any test or it inside. So here we can globally manage the description and inside multiple you can write any it condition wise you multiple create it means test cases. And also here we need like as a constants get by test id which equal to render coming to the React Native testing library. Render here is app and here we writing the test cases. So firstly data test id. So here is image also mock data. Here we need also the right mock data. Mock I think API something mock API we write it data something data inside coming to the same you can strub data you can mention here. I think children pass inside data again. And here is some data you can passing like these title ABC like this. And here before we need a mock data render. And here is so you can define any app here is app component dot to be defined. I think spelling mismatch. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Here is multiple way checking. So if any your the state is updating, then after your component is also the
Mm-hmm.
update. And once your component is update, then you can write a act inside your the business logic. Means your state is updated. Here you can write your the business logic inside. And after that you check your to be defined means like as your component exist or not exist. So multiple test cases properties available. So you can requirement wise we implementations like this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. I think I'm good now. Okay. So, um, Appa Sahab, so I think your native skill is okay. Um, what are the best practices we have to follow if we need a performant React Native application?
Okay, performance for we are basically so we writing ProGuards rules, so native sites, and basically large images for like as a PNG. Don't use any PNG big size. So obviously we are using SVG, and after that performance wise we using use memo, use callback is very important. So don't any state changing, then again and again hold the render again whole all render again and again component don't use. Also the page initiation concept is very important. Flat list on user is going down, then fetching the next record. Don't load at a time more record on store the local storage, because your mobile buffer size is limited na, so depend on the mobile model wise, like this. So
Okay.
basically, yeah.
Suppose your API is returning 1,000 records, right,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
at a time, and you have to use this page and hit the API multiple time based on the feature. So what you have to do? Are you going to cache the data on the mobile side and you are going to avoid the multiple hits, or you want to just get the fresh list every time?
No, see, actually, first time is backend is not passing to 1000 record. Is actually good method. So backend is only limited record, some random number like is a 10 or 20. So we have also 1000 or 2000 records, but client side only the limited record pass around 220 record is passing, and here is showing the flat list or otherwise table on the using page initiation concept. So user is checking the first 10 record, and we not getting the sufficient response, then calling the next page, and after that getting the next 20 records, means previous 20, after that 20 is getting 40 records. Backend is passing 20 record, next 20 record. So here is we are using page initiation concept.
This fine pagination,
Mm-hmm.
I'm asking how can we avoid the multiple hits?
Okay, multiple hits you saying. So multiple hits here is we rendering for we creating a separately creating a child component, and child component is wrap of the use memo, and imported is parent level, and here render inside passing. So specific page number is changed, then after your child component is updating, like this. Use memo is concept we are using here.
Okay, fine. In a mobile application,
Mm-hmm.
how you are managing offline syncing mechanism? For example, you
Okay.
have you have saved the record or
Mm-hmm.
update the record, and somehow your internet gone,
Got correct.
and same record has been updated by another user through his mobile.
Got it.
Then how you are managing through the server? Because when you be online,
Mm-hmm.
then your data will be pushed on the server, then it will be overridden the another person record. Then how are you going to manage it?
Yeah, sure. So basically, here is very important concept coming picture is local storage. Local storage is very important. Some cases, user is gone to internet, so that time is user is don't any blocking. So we all the operation doing storing in local sites. There is mention also date and also times, mention all the, and also the status is storing is data is synchronization not synchronizations. So how many records store in local site, all the storing in local storage we can using any in default asynchronous storage, otherwise SQLite or LM database, LM database you can external storage you can store. So there is managing the all the status, how many records is synchronization, how many store the latest record. And once the user is coming back to internet, so coming back to internet, there is also the one third party library is indicated user is available online or offline, like this also we are checking internet available or not available. So once user is coming back coming to internet, then automatically that library is coming to event is firing, and that inside event firing there is reading the local database and checking which new record is stored in the local db, and background side we synchronize and passing to the new record to the backend side, and backend is synchronization up to date. Once the backend is up to date, then backend is passing flag is up to date record, then we also update the existing local database, like this.
Okay. Okay, I'm good as of now, Sahib. Do you have any question?
No. Yeah, fantastic, and also the nice to talk you and good example.
I hope you have enjoyed the test.
Yeah, yeah.
So my thought process, candidate, if he is, good in a primary skill, he can learn anything, right?
Yeah, sure, sure.
So that's why I always am giving the test, because the basic thing, right? What I have asked you, this is just a basic,
Yeah,
assuming
yes,
API and rendering,
yes,
right?
yes,
And
this
we
is
didn't ask any challenging.
yeah, this is
But
basic actually.
if you're a good coder or good hands-on experience, then you can do it, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. So good. I'm okay with that. And if you don't have any question, so I'll share my feedback with Pooja and she will get back to you for the further process.
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chalo.
And again, happy Gudi Padwa and
Same
to
to
you
you.
and your family.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
God bless you. Be happy. Enjoy your day.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay?
Yeah. Chalo. Thank you.
Bye.
Same to you. Chalo. Thank you, Pooja ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. Chalo.
Thank you, Appa Sahib.
Yeah.
Thank you, Himlata.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Thank
Bye.
you.